temporarily weakens after an emotional or physical stress. In simple words, na broken-hearted. At that point, I thought my journey was over. The broken heart, the wicked heart, it all felt like too much to overcome. It sounds crazy, but that's honestly how it felt. I remember calling my older sister, Ma'am Vanessa, while crying. Ate, sakit na kayo. Ilalim di I think. A minute before she replied, you know what? You should enroll in Healthcare Services Institute program. TESDA is offering scholarship slots. Why not grab this opportunity and enroll now? Our seat was not for you. And I was like, what's the requirements? It's hard to think about, but that's where it all started. Today, I see it as a proof that life's unexpected twist can lead to fresh starts. This new chapter brought new surroundings, new faces, and chances to rediscover myself. I'd like to take this opportunity to show my heartfelt gratitude to the people who've been part of this wonderful journey. To our school president,